Every Monday morning, you stand at the coffee machine at work. You smile. You say, "Hi," and then silence. You want to talk more, but you don't know what to say in English. So you drink your coffee and look at your phone. In this video, you will learn simple A1, A2 phrases for workplace small talk with colleagues. I speak slowly with subtitles so that you can follow easily.
Welcome to Nia English Channel. This lesson is for adult A1, A2 learners who need English at the office, near the coffee machine, on a Monday morning. After watching this video, you will be able to start, continue, and end small talk with colleagues naturally. Now let's go to the office and listen to an honest dialogue.
Good morning, David.
Morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A bit tired. And you?
I'm okay. Also, a little tired. Monday, you know.
Yes, Mondays are always hard. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, it was nice. I spent time with my family. We went to the park on Sunday.
That sounds relaxing. Was it busy there?
Not really. It was quiet and sunny. Perfect weather. What about you? How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. On Saturday, I stayed at home and watched a movie. On Sunday, I cleaned the house and cooked.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy on Netflix. It was funny, but a little silly.
Sometimes silly is good. It helps to forget work for a while.
Yes, that's true. Are you working from home this week, or are you in the office every day?
This week, I am in the office from Monday to Wednesday. Then I work from home on Thursday and Friday.
Sounds like a good balance. I am in the office all week. We have a big project now.
Oh, yes, the new client, right? Is it going well?
It's going okay. Many emails, many meetings, but the team is good, so I feel confident.
That's great. If you need any help with the report, let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind.
So, do you have a busy day today?
Yes, I have 2 meetings this morning and 1 in the afternoon. And you?
I have one long meeting at 10, and then I need to finish a presentation.
Presentations. Good luck.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Okay, I should go back to my desk now.
Yes, me too.
Have a good day, David.
You too, Emma. See you later.
See ya.
Now let's look at the most important sentences, step by step. 1.
Good morning, David.
Morning, Emma. How are you today?
Sentence. How are you today?
Please repeat after me.
Today means this day, now. You can use this question every morning with colleagues. 2.
I'm good, thanks. A bit tired. And you?
Sentence. I'm good, thanks. Bit tired, and you? Please repeat after me. Good is a simple, positive answer. A bit tired means you are a little tired, not very tired. 3.
Did you have a lovely weekend?
Sentence. Did you have a nice weekend? Please repeat after me. This is a very common Monday question. You can say, nice weekend, or good weekend. 4.
I spent time with my family. We went to the park on Sunday.
Sentence. I spent time with my family. Please repeat after me.
Spent time means you were with someone for some hours. It is a simple way to talk about what you did.
5.
That sounds relaxing. Was it busy there?
Sentence.
That sounds relaxing.
Please repeat after me. Sounds relaxing. Means, it seems relaxing to me when I hear this. You use it after someone talks about their weekend or plans. 6.
It was quiet and sunny.
Sentence. It was quiet and sunny.
Please repeat after me. Quiet means not noisy, not many people. Sunny means
There is sun in the sky. Good weather.
7.
Are you working from home this week or are you in the office every day?
Sentence. Are you working from home this week? Please repeat after me.
Working from home means you do your job at home, not at the office. You can ask this question to know your colleague's schedule. 8.
I am in the office all week. We have a big project now.
Sentence. We have a big project now.
Please repeat after me. Big project means an important or long piece of work. It is a common phrase in office small talk.
9.
If you need any help with the report, let me know.
Sentence. If you need any help, tell me. Please repeat after me. This is a polite offer. You can say it when you want to be friendly and helpful. 10.
So, do you have a busy day today?
Sentence. Please repeat after me. Busy day means you have many tasks, meetings, or calls. It is a very natural small talk question at work. 11.
Have a good day, David.
Sentence. Have a good day.
Please repeat after me. This is a friendly way to end the conversation. You can use it with colleagues, clients, or friends.
Practice.
Now you are Emma.
Answer the questions as Ella.
1.
I am David. I say, good morning. How are you today? What can you say?
Possible answers. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired. Or, I'm okay, thanks. And you? 2. I say, did you have a nice weekend? What can you say? Possible answers. Yes, it was nice. I spent time with my family. Or, it was good, thanks. I watched the movie at home. 3. I say, are you working from home this week? What can you say? Possible answers. I'm in the office all week. Or, I work from home on Friday. Now, a small multiple choice practice. Question 1. Which phrase is more natural? At the coffee machine on Monday. A. Did you have a nice weekend? B. Did you eat your weekend? The better phrase is A. Did you have a nice weekend? Question 2. Which phrase is more natural to end small talk? A. Have a good day. See you later. B. I stopped the conversation now. The better phrase is A. Have a good day. See you later. Question 3. Which phrase is better to offer help? A. If you need any help, tell me. B. You cannot do this alone. The better phrase is A. If you need any help, tell me. Here are some key phrases from this lesson. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. A bit tired, and you? Did you have a lovely weekend? That sounds relaxing. Are you working from home this week? Do you have a busy day today? If you need any help, tell me. Have a good day. See you later. Save this video and repeat the dialogue 3 times this week. Practice the questions and answers out loud. If this lesson helped you, like this video and subscribe to the NIA English channel. For more lessons about work and office English, watch the following video in this playlist.